every day, late at night, not okay.
In fact, you will definitely be very happy today when you hear that the wonders of nature help us to live our lives happily as well as balance our mental strength as well as physical health. If you can habit to spend more time connecting with natural surroundings in your everyday life while observing or seeing the environment will help you to avoid many disasters as well as improve your mental and physical health. You can feel the benefits of the surrounding nature by staying in nature at any moment during your daily routines. It will definitely change not only your mood but also the way your nervous, endocrine, and immune systems work. So, nature is an essential factor for us to maintain a happy mood in everyday our life. In today's world, it is very sad to say that many people have ruined their lives due to their tendency to spend less time in the natural world and often spending hours in front of the TV or computer screens is associated with loss of the natural environment and depression most of their times. Therefore, it was more important to visit the natural environment, especially to observe nature's surroundings and to travel all around local or worldwide to visit the natural scenery to support our well-being. This is really important because the connection with the nature helps us to understand that the calm in our mental health brings many benefits to our happy life. And nature also gives us essential tips on how to maximize these benefits for our own well-being. So now it may clear to you how much nature helps us to live our lives happily and to maintain good health. So, if you are not used to spending a moment with nature, make time for it now. Get the free benefits of beautiful nature for your well-being in the short time you live in this world, no matter how busy you are in your life. To improve your overall well-being, I will assist you in how to connect with nature for that. To do this, follow one of these methods or 12 of these methods as you wish. Live in the present moment. The most important way to connect with the nature is to really be in this moment. That means trying to live with nature at all times. To get used to doing that, you need to build a connection with nature. First, you need to separate yourself from all the noise and direct your energy to the experience of nature for some period of your time. Adapt your five senses to nature. To feel truly connected to nature, you must learn to connect with your five senses. Nature is a sensory experience that includes seeing, hearing, smelling, touching, and sometimes tasting. If you find it particularly difficult to relax or calm down, tuning in with your five senses is the first steps to feeling more relaxed. Develop your creativity with nature. Develop your creativity by expressing your inner creativity with nature. You can do this through a variety of natural skills as your mind feels, from a drawing, lens of the camera, or some other painting works. Choose a good mind friendly place. Having a good mind friendly place can help you maintain stability in developing a natural relationship. So go whatever you like and sit there or enjoy the calm, beautiful scenery in any way you feel from there. Stay with animals or observe animal behavior. Animals are cute and sometimes fun in your life. You can watch the daily life of these animals. It is better to take the time to watch the behavior of animals, for example, such as birds flying in the sky, ants climbing a tree, and squirrel descending through a hole, which will help you to become more deeply connected with nature. Spend time to watch plants or trees. Having green trees around us is a great way to connect with nature. To do this, you can visit a local park or place with beautiful trees, or grow a few plants in your backyard. Take out time to pay attention to the movements of plants. Walk or run in the natural environment. Walking, running, or hiking comes with its health and wellness benefits. Doing this way, while you can feel the beauty of nature, you can improve your health through exercise. Feel the natural beauty of the night sky. Take time to look at the beauty of the night sky, its stars and various other moving items. Watch the sunrise and sunset. To connect with the nature, you could spend time morning watching the sunrise or evening watching the sunset. Stay with water. If you can get close to the water or just watching the waves crash on the sand or rock, you will have an unusual natural environmental feeling. Doing through this, you will find the experience and opportunity to reflect on the benefits to your mental health while creating a sense of happiness and peace. Protect nature. If you love nature, you will protect nature. Protecting nature, you connect better with nature. It can keep your mind balanced and happy. To protect nature, you can create green spaces in your backyard or your surroundings. You can build some way to feed natural animals like birds, squirrels, or many other animals. Share natural environment experiences. If you can share your natural environmental experience with your friends or other people around you, that will allow you to build stronger relationships. Definitely, it makes your life better and happier mood. So I hope you can easily connect with nature if you follow these methods. I know definitely now you could have a good understanding of how nature helps us to enjoy our lives happily by connecting with nature. So if you think today's video is good for you, then like it. Share this video with your friends. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell button and select all to enable the notification. and also write your valuable ideas, suggestions below in the comment section. I wish you a happy life. Thank you for watching this video.